Welcome back to our channel, where we help you unlock the secrets of success in life. In this video, we're tackling a universal challenge, time management and how to use your time like a pro. Hit that like button and subscribe if you like the content or if you find the material helpful. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply trying to get more out of your day, these 6 tips will help you transform how you approach your to-do list. Effective time management can lead to a significant increase in productivity, with some studies showing a guaranteed increase of 25% or more on the first day of change. Without further delay, let's dive in. Effective time management starts with prioritizing your tasks. Begin each day by identifying the tasks that are most critical and tackle those first. The Eisenhower box is a practical tool for this, helping you categorize tasks by their urgency and importance. This method ensures you focus on what truly matters, differentiating between tasks that are crucial for your progress and those that can wait. It's a strategy designed not just to keep you busy, but to enhance your productivity by concentrating on significant activities. By prioritizing, you effectively manage your workload and minimize stress. Focusing on urgent and important tasks first creates momentum, making it easier to handle less critical tasks later. This approach not only boosts your productivity, but also gives you a clear sense of achievement. It simplifies your workday, making your tasks more manageable and reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. Mastering the art of saying no is a pivotal skill in managing your time effectively. In a world where opportunities and requests for your attention are endless, recognizing that your time is a finite resource is crucial. Being selective about the commitments you take on allows you to focus on what truly aligns with your priorities and long-term goals. When you decline tasks or projects that don't fit into your schedule or don't serve your objectives, you're not just protecting your time. You're also making room for activities that are more valuable to you. This practice of saying no is not about shutting down opportunities, but about making conscious choices to ensure that you're dedicating your efforts to the things that matter the most. Remember, every time you say no to something that is not a priority, you're saying yes to something that is, thereby enabling yourself to fulfill your commitments with greater focus and quality. Eliminating distractions is essential for maintaining focus and enhancing productivity. In today's digital age, the constant barrage of notifications, emails, and social media updates can easily derail your concentration from the task at hand. Identifying these common culprits and implementing strategies to minimize their impact can dramatically improve your ability to stay focused. This could involve turning off smartphone notifications during work hours, designating specific times of the day for checking emails and social media, or organizing workspace to reduce clutter and distractions. By creating an environment tailored to support concentration, you enable yourself to work more efficiently, making substantial progress on tasks without the constant battle against interruptions. This focused approach not only boosts productivity, but also enhances the quality of your work, allowing for deeper engagement with your tasks. To counteract a previous tip, using various applications and programs can significantly improve your time management skills. While it's true that technology can be a source of distraction, it can also be a powerful tool for staying organized and focused if used wisely. Task management apps like Trello, Asana, or Todoist can help you keep track of your tasks and projects, prioritize them, and allocate your time effectively. These tools allow you to break down complex projects into manageable tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. By finding the right tools that align with your workflow and preferences, you can leverage technology to streamline your work processes and ensure that you stay on top of your priorities. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining high levels of productivity and focus. While it might seem counterintuitive, stepping away from your work at regular intervals can actually improve your efficiency. The Pomodoro technique, a popular time management method, recommends working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. These short breaks help prevent burnout, keep your mind fresh, and maintain your energy levels throughout the day. By allowing yourself to rest and recharge periodically, you can enhance your concentration and creativity when you return to your tasks. Tip 6. Reflect and adjust is a critical component of effective time management. Taking the time to reflect on your accomplishments and areas for improvement at the end of each day or week can provide valuable insights to your productivity patterns and habits. By identifying what went well and what could have been done differently, you can adjust your strategies and approaches to work more efficiently in the future. This practice of self-reflection not only helps you learn from your experiences, but also allows you to continuously improve your time management skills. By consistently reviewing and adjusting your methods, you can optimize your workflow, increase your productivity, and achieve greater success in your endeavors. Thank you for joining us today as we explored 6 powerful tips for managing your time like a pro. By prioritizing your tasks, learning to say no, eliminating distractions, using technology wisely, taking regular breaks, and reflecting on your progress, you can take control of your time and achieve your goals with greater ease. We hope these strategies have inspired you to rethink how you approach your daily tasks and manage your time more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on personal development and productivity. Remember, time is a precious resource, and how you choose to use it can make all the difference in achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.